Look at that, y'all. They got chicken too. Yo, he cooking real chicken back there for real.
For the record. For the record. For the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. 8-6 all the hay. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars. I'm flipping the. All record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. All record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. All record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. All record, off record. I still want to act, not the ghost.
It look like a war zone out here. With a pizza spot.
For the record, bad on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to make no time to waste. Running through it with the young influence, adolescent presence, I'm succumbing to it. I've been giving yeses when I shouldn't do it. I complete ejected, but the moves elusive and I'm barely moving, but I'm still gonna boost them. I can't work on winners when I know you're losing, so I put the winners in it.
What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We are deep in the heart of Newark off of Avon Avenue out here in the hood. We over here by Avon Plaza, man. We're about to go on Roberto's and check out some pizza. All right, I just had a craving for pizza today. It's Sunday, it's New Year's Eve. We about to go into 2024. First meal of the New Year's Eve is gonna be maybe some cheese pizza, all right? So let's go in here, check it out. Roberto's, they got some of the best pizza in this area. So we're gonna go and confirm that. This pizza spot was suggested by Tony. Thank you. Let's go inside, check it out. There it is, y'all, Roberto's. Roberto's. Look at that chicken, y'all. Look at that chicken. Look at that chicken. Look at that pizza. How you doing? Look at that pizza. Look at that pizza. What you getting, buddy? Tell them. How you doing? All right. He's doing the video. They said it's real good pizza, right? And I'm gonna get a pepperoni cheese. Oh, they got fried chicken too? Oh, look at the chicken. I'm gonna get a pepperoni slice. Look at that, y'all. They got chicken too. I wonder how the chicken. You had the chicken before, bro?
Yes.
Oh, yeah? Oh, man. I'm gonna get 2 wings too. Okay, compare. I know, look. Compare it.
Take care of that greasy stuff.
Yeah, man. They look good.
It is good.
Okay, if you compare them with Ambassadors, what would you say? These? Oh, he's saying these are better than Ambassador. We definitely getting 2 wings. Oh, wow.
This is fill you up in the back.
Yeah. They got bean pies. They look a little dry, though.
The back got quarter wings now.
They smaller than, okay, yeah. Yeah. That chicken going in, y'all, fresh. Yo, he cooking real chicken back there for real. Yo, that's that special batter.
Two wings.
Look, y'all, I got Zach with me today. They said you don't smile enough, man. Crack a smile for him. That was a half a smile. Here we go, y'all. First, I'm gonna go for the pizza, man. That's the spot right there. And I'm gonna tell y'all, man, I'm gonna tell y'all in a few minutes what just happened to me. But let's get it out here. Let's get it out here. That pizza looks good, right? That's some good looking pizza, y'all. We're here at Roberto's Pizza. It's kind of chilly out here, so I wanna eat this real quick. All right, here we go, y'all. We're outside in Newark, New Jersey, off of Avon Avenue and Avon Ave. That's sad, I can't think of that street right now. But look, man, we about to eat some Roberto's. Look at that. I like when it gets oily, when they start heating that cheese up. This is fresh. We're here, it's about 11:30 in the morning. The crust is just right. Look, I think the bird just pooped on me, yo. I really think a bird just pooped on me. This is good, man. It's really cheesy. The sauce is good. Okay. Scale of 1 to 10. I think a bird just pooped on my back. Really, I believe it did. That's what I wanted to say, y'all. I wiped it off. It's a bunch of birds. Y'all can see the birds in the camera. This is not good too to be having bread outs. Evidently someone's been feeding those birds. Look at that oil. Look. Look at it dripping. That's that oil from them pepperonis and that cheese. This is good, y'all. It's cold out here, but this pizza is really warming me up. I also ordered 2 wings. We're gonna go into that next. The pepperonis aren't sliced too thick. I like when they get thin and they cook. Got a little crispiness to them. It's the right amount of cheese, right amount of sauce. The bread is just right. I'm satisfied. Oh, did I put the number on it? Scale of 1 to 10? I'm gonna give that pizza a 9. A 9. Let's give it a 9. I gotta put this up and go into the wings. I want to eat all that pizza, but I gotta go into the wings. My son is still in there getting his food. So while we're waiting for him, I'm gonna grab the wings. I'll put them in the car and put the heat up so they don't get too cold. I'm gonna grab the wings. The guy inside said he said that they're better than ambassadors. Y'all know I love ambassadors. I got 2 wings, y'all. Really nice sides on the wings. They were sitting there in the window, and you saw him cooking fresh wings. They just opened, man. That's the time to show up at a spot, right? Because if you show up when the spot just opened, you know they just went in there not too long ago, and you see a lot of food they set out, that food could be from yesterday. They are in there making fresh stuff, man. Roberto's. Here we go. Those are some big wings. And look at that, y'all. That's what the guy said. I like the flats. Let's go into the flats first. Let's get ready. I'm not even putting a hot sauce on it first. Okay, they got their special batter going on. Oh, these wings are good and hot, too. You know how they sit in the warmer? You can tell these wings were just fried. You know, they weren't just sitting there and warmed up. Excuse me, y'all. Oh, that's a good wing. It's peppery, it's salty, it's good. That batter is really good. I saw him like putting it in some type of flour, and then he was dipping it in their special dipping batter. Clean off the bone. That bone's still steaming. I got my hot sauce right there. I never had this one. This was called, what's that? Yippin? Oh, that hot sauce look like it's ketchup. I better not put too much. It might be the hot sauce. It's hot sauce. It tastes more tangy than hot though. It's not as like it's not that hot sauce that be having you go. They cook them just right. Look, they're not fried, so where they dried out. The batter is the bomb. Do y'all want me to compare now? These are thick and hearty, and some people commented on my ambassadors video saying the chicken wings wasn't hearty enough. I don't know, I like the smaller wings, man. But these are delicious. If I was to give ambassadors a 10 on my chicken wing, this would be a 9. Y'all know I love ambassadors. So we here, I'm gonna put the address up, y'all. Shout out to our patrons. Thanks Barrett from Michigan. And thanks Jeffers Girl for being patrons. Y'all support the channel. And thanks for also giving Barrett. Barrett is always throwing us a little something extra for some coffee. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you're hanging with the wrong people. I love you cats. I'll see y'all at the next one. Peace. That was good. Look at me eating the drumstick part of the wing. Gristle and all, I'm bugging. All right, I'm gonna put this wing right here in with the pizza. Oh, that's my tip. I'm glad I have my little cover down here. Put that in there. I was about to go, man, but I gotta eat this tip. That's that, man. We're out. I lied, y'all. I want some more of this pizza. Oh, don't drop the chicken. Avon Ave. We're gonna check out that fish market too soon.